Are you looking for the best budget subwoofers? In this video we will look at some of best budget subwoofers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Rockville Subwoofer. For those seeking an aesthetic bookshelf subwoofer for a home theater system or studio application, this Rockville Rockshaker 6.5 subwoofer is your perfect entertainment companion. It is equipped with a built-in Class D amplifier delivering 200 W peak power, 100 W RMS, combined with the high-grade MDF enclosure that delivers a clean, distortion-free sound with tight and impactful bass. It is designed with a Y30 grade magnet and has an auto-switching power supply, allowing the user to enjoy their favorite music with power and convenience, while the rear firing port optimizes sound dispersion for maximum impact. With RCA inputs and outputs, as well as high-level speaker inputs and outputs, this subwoofer offers versatile connectivity options for any setup. Brand: Rockville. Speaker type: bookshelf. Connectivity technology: RCA. Special feature: Rockshaker subwoofer. Power source: corded electric. Speaker size: 6.5 inches. Power output: 200 W peak and 100 W RMS. Mounting type: tabletop mount. Dimensions: 11 by 11.8 by 12.6 inches. Weight: 13.2 pounds. Woofer impedance: 4 ohms. Number 4. Klipsch KD10SW10 subwoofer. Experience movie theater quality bass in the comfort of your home with this Klipsch KD10SW10 subwoofer. With its all-digital amplifier, delivers ample power with high efficiency and true-to-source accuracy, and front-firing 10 driver, it ensures powerful, distortion-free bass that enhances movies, music, and gaming experiences, bringing the ultimate low-frequency experience to your living room. The low-pass crossover and phase control feature allows seamless integration with other Klipsch speakers, while its sleek and contemporary appearance adds a stylish touch to any room. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, the KD10SW delivers room-filling sound at a great value. Brand: Klipsch. Speaker type: subwoofer. Connectivity technology: RCA. Special feature: high-res audio. Power source: corded electric. Tweeter technology: dorm tweeter. Speaker size: 10 inches. Mounting type: floor standing. Dimension: 15.7 by 12.5 by 14 inches. Weight: 32.5 pounds. Number 3. YAMAHA 8 100W powered subwoofer. The YAMAHA 8 subwoofer NSSW050BL has a sleek and stylish design delivering deep and powerful bass for an immersive listening experience to enjoy music, movies, or gaming. It features a new twisted flare port and advanced YST2, YAMAHA Active Servo Technology 2, that contributes to clear and tight bass, providing accurate low-frequency reproduction and enhancing the overall audio experience. With its compact design, 100W dynamic power, robust construction, and stylish appearance, the NSSW050BL is a perfect addition to any home theater or music system, providing rich and impactful sound quality with minimal distortion. Brand: YAMAHA. Speaker type: subwoofer. Subwoofer diameter: 8 inches. Mounting type: floor standing. Power source: corded electric. Connectivity technology: RCA. Mounting type: floor standing. Frequency response: 28 Hz, 200 Hz. Speaker's maximum output power: 100 watts. Dimensions: WXHXD 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches by 13 3/8 inches. Weight: 18.7 pounds. Number 2. Sony Sax 910-inch active subwoofer. The Sony Sax 910-inch dual-layer mica woofer diaphragm and motion feedback technology delivers faithful sound and optimal bass response, ensuring every beat and rumble is reproduced with precision and impact. This active subwoofer enhances the home theater, music listening, or gaming setup. The bass reflux enclosure with a woof cabinet and cloth grille ensures durability and offers distortion-free, low-frequency sound reproduction, creating a truly immersive audio experience like never before. It features a robust 115W amplifier to maximize power output for dynamic bass performance. Moreover, the subwoofer's compact design allows for flexible placement options, making it ideal for various room sizes and configurations. Brand: Sony. Model name: Sax 9. Speaker type: subwoofer. Connectivity technology: coaxial. Power source: AC. Speaker size: 10 inches. Mounting type: shelf mount, floor mount. Weight: 21 pounds. Frequency response: 30 Hz. Amplifier power output: 115W. Number 1. Polk Audio PSW-10 Subwoofer. For folks seeking a strong subwoofer, Polk Audio has some top choices. One such option is the PSW-10. It packs a 10-inch dynamic balance woofer and power port technology. This combo delivers deep, accurate bass, boosting both music and movies. Whether it's a gentle hum in the background or booming beats, the PSW-10 ensures you feel every low-frequency sound, making your entertainment experience richer. With 100 watts of power and smart engineering, it seamlessly fits into your home theater setup, improving sound quality without any distortion. Plus, its compact size suits smaller to medium-sized rooms, and it's easy to set up for instant audio upgrades. Speaker type: subwoofer. Connectivity technology: wired. Power source: AC. Speaker size: 10 inches. Mounting type: floor mount. Control method: remote.